Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths by Pratyusa ma'am. So here I am a Pratyusa ma'am. In today's video, I will cover the most important chapters for class 7. So the chapter will be properties of parallel lines. So in today's video, I will cover two most important questions from properties of parallel lines, which is for class 7. We know that very well that our exam is going on for CBSE and ICSE board. So student is very worried about those chapters. I thought that I will cover some most important questions from this chapters. So in today's video I will cover just two questions from properties of parallel lines. So let's start it. So the first question says, in the given figure, L parallel to M and P parallel to Q, find the measure of each of the angles A, B, C, D. So this is the diagram. So in these questions, given L parallel to M, this means this is the line of L, this is the line for M. So L parallel to M and P parallel to Q. So here we have to find angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Alright. So L parallel to M and P parallel to Q. These things is given and this angle is also given. Here let the angle be 1. So I will write here angle 1 is equals to 65 degree, which is this. So for angle 1 and angle A is vertically opposite angles. How? Because here I draw some examples. See, if two lines are bisect each other, so this is the first line, this is the second line. If two lines are bisecting each other, so here four angles are created. This is L1, this is L2, this is L3 and this is L4. So in this diagram, L1 and L2 is vertically opposite, L3 and L4 is vertically opposite. So here I have written vertically opposite angles are equal. So L1 is equal to L2 and L3 is equal to L4 when if two lines are bisecting each other, then therefore the four angles are created and the vertically opposite angles are always equal. So L1 is equal to L2 and L3 is equal to L4. So same as this diagram, angle A and angle 65 degree is vertically opposite angles. How? Because these two lines Q and L is bisecting each other. So for that angle A and angle 65 degrees vertically opposite angles, right? So that's why I have written here angle A is equal to angle 1, angle 1 is equals to 65 degree and the reason will be vertically opposite angles. Okay. Then L parallel to M and Q is a transversal. So L parallel to M, yes, L parallel to M and Q is transversal over it. Then we can write this as angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. How? Because consecutive interior angles. For this I have drawn this example also. So consider this. This is the line L and this is the line M and Q is the line transversal over it, right? So if two lines are parallel and one line is transversal on it, therefore the consecutive interior angles of this diagram will be 180 degree. So how? Because in this case L and M and parallel to each other and Q transversal over it, then A and D are consecutive interior angles, therefore their sum will be 180 degree. So we can write this as angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Consecutive interior angles, the reason will be consecutive interior angles. So angle E, we get angle A is equal to 65 degree plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. So angle D will be 180 minus 65, angle D will be 115 degree. Then P parallel to Q and L is transversal. So P is parallel to Q and L is transversal. Yes, we can easily see this. P parallel to Q and L is transversal. So therefore their interior angles also will be 180 degree. So we can write this as if P parallel to Q and L is transversal, then angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. The reason will be consecutive interior angles. If P parallel to Q and L is transversal, then the consecutive interior angles, angle A plus angle B, will be 180 degree. So the sum of the angles A plus angle B will be 180 degree. So the reason will be consecutive interior angles. So angle A, we already get angle A is equal to 65 degree, so we can put this value in angle A. So 65 degree plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. So that's how we get angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 65. Angle B will be 115 degree. Okay. Then L parallel to M and P is transversal. So check L parallel to M and P is transversal. Therefore, the consecutive angles angle C plus angle D will be 180 degree. So we can write this easily. Angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. The reason will be consecutive interior angles. So angle C is equal to 180 degree minus angle D, and we get angle D as 115 degree. So we put this value of angle D. So that's how we get 180 degree minus 115 degree. So angle C will be 65 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to 65 degree. Angle B is equal to 115 degree. Angle C is equal to 65 degree. Angle D is equal to 115 degree.